And welcome to another inspection. We are on the 30th of June. We are at colony number 5, which was actually a split off from another colony. They were split off from colony 1, so there should be nice calm bees. No issues there. So if we have a quick look at the front, bees are flying in nicely. Can't see any pollen going in yet. No, there's a little bit of pollen going in, but nothing crazy. Okay, let's have a quick look. Peek inside. Should be queen right, queen should be marked. All of the normal good things that we were expecting. Oh, they're at the edges. Right, note for edit, see for next week please. Yeah, they are bustingly big, aren't they? Right, let's have a little look. Right, crappy manky old comb. Right, that's going. I've got some new comb in the split box that was unused, so I might just borrow that. Okay, draw it out for stores. Great. Okay, and stores. There's quite a lot of stores in this. The brood at the top there. Okay. Get this queenie. Not. Have to brood. Yeah, she's got eggs. Eggs right down the bottom there. Doesn't she look good? Doing well, Queenie. Other side. Yeah, eggs laid all the way out. Plate up. Right, there's a plate cup in the middle of the other side of the frame. Don't know what this is here. Some weird construction. I don't like it. Okay, you can't have that one. That's just thrown. So what's in the middle there? Yep, eggs laid up through that middle section. Right, this is what I saw. Wake up. No supersedure cell, but it's in the middle. It's totally dead. Okay. Just to note, I think these girlies might be running out of space. Okay, an awfully frame there. Lovely brood pattern. In the holes we can see that's where the wire runs to the foundation. Don't really like it that much. Kind of saves us a bit of pain in the wax falling out when it's warm. Okay, lovely biscuit coloured, well, maybe biscuit coloured brood. There's no queen cells or anything on that side. Okay, looking good there. Yeah, digestive biscuit coloured brood. Pollen, lots of pollen. Look at that pollen. Oh, rare in there. All different plants. On the other side, something in the middle, just like that. Okay, nothing in there. Okay, lovely new frame there. Going out, stacking stores around the outside over here. And so too, going around that bottom bit. Yeah, brood. There's brood all the way down. In fact, you can see that lovely pollen arc there. Shake this one. See that lovely pollen arc around the bottom. It runs around there. In fact, it runs around the whole entire thing. Still on the other side. And on the other side as well. Yes, they've got pollen, it's all good. Lovely pollen here as well. Bit of this weird doubly comb thing going on here. These with orange pollen there. That's over. Brood in there both sides. And then last frame, they've just started to draw. Just draw that out there. Wonderful. What I'm going to do is probably grab a frame out of the split box. I'll be back. Right, we have a spare frame out of the split box. Let's move everyone back over. I'm half tempted to kind of put it in the middle to get them to try and draw it again. Maybe in there. Come on, girlies. There we go. Right, that's penny number 5, all looking good. So we've got half drawn, 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 undrawn, drawn, 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 drawn. What more can you want? There's plenty of stores. We saw the queen. Good laying. No complaints there. So thank you very much for watching. Do please throw us a comment, let us know what you think, and give us a like. and subscribe to the channel. Always helps YouTube algorithms and all the other good things, and hopefully we'll be able to grow the channel somewhat. Thank you very much everyone. Take care.